Welcome to the heart of innovation. Welcome to ASUS Indonesia. We're proud to introduce our new home on the 16th floor of the Kensington office tower, a significant step forward in our journey here in Indonesia. From the very beginning, ASUS has always been driven by a strong philosophy, deeply embedded in our ASUS DNA. We believe in 5 core pillars: boundless inspiration, relentless innovation, perfect execution, profound simplicity, and unwavering truth. These aren't just words, they're the essence of every product we create and every decision we make. We're in Indonesia not just to sell products, but to empower every individual, every business, with intuitive and transformative technology. We innovate for the future, delivering solutions that exceed expectations. Our dedication and commitment have truly paid off. Through a consumer-centric strategy and continuous product innovation, ASUS Indonesia successfully achieved the position of #1 laptop brand in Indonesia in 2023. This is a testament to the trust placed in us by millions of users across the nation, and also the result of the incredible hard work of the team behind every ASUS device. We're committed to remaining at the forefront, providing the best experiences, and being your trusted partner in an ever-evolving digital world.